Police will be digging drains and installing barbed wire fences along the Malaysia-Thailand border to prevent smuggling activities. Kedah Police Chief Commissioner Datuk Zamri Yahya said hundreds of trails that enable illegal crossings in Kedah must be closed.
Kita memang ada rancangan, kita sedang berbincang dengan pihak usaha-usaha pesisir Tradewin untuk dia membantu polis ataupun keselamatan untuk menunjukkan satu mekanisme supaya dapat menutup tikus itu. Mungkin dengan menjaga pagar atau longkang-longkang besar bagi mengukarkan gerakan orang masuk secara haram ke negara ini.
He said most passageways are part of private land owned by oil palm and rubber plantation companies. Therefore, the authorities are working together with such companies to close the illegal trails. He said the fences from Bukit Kayu Hitam to Durian Burong would also be reinforced with barbed wires. He stressed that border fences managed by the Malaysia authorities may be old, but they are still safe and intact.